Hey guys, welcome to Deals with Amazon. Are you looking for the top best 3 Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting? Number 1, Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Salicylic Acid Exfoliant. About this item: gentle non-abrasive leave-on exfoliator with 2% BHA beta hydroxy acid to unclog and diminish enlarged pores, exfoliate dead skin cells, smooth wrinkles and brighten and even out skin tone. Combats redness, wrinkles, aging, enlarged pores, and blackheads. Packaging may vary. Dramatically improves skin's texture for radiant, youthful, even-toned skin. Beta hydroxy acid, BHA, also known as salicylic acid, mimics the natural exfoliation process of younger skin by helping it shed extra layers while unclogging and clearing pores. Hydrate, brighten and smooth fine lines. Our unique, non-abrasive, leave-on exfoliant is gentle enough for daily use on all skin types. Exfoliates dead skin cells while clearing pores for a more even tone. Plus, it visibly reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Paula's Choice facial exfoliants are gentler on delicate skin of the face and neck than an abrasive face scrub, which can cause micro tears. A BHA leave-on exfoliator delivers hydration and can exfoliate directly. Number 2, Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 8% AHA. About this item: exfoliant duo. Elevate your exfoliation routine with this convenient set. Includes both BHA, salicylic acid, and AHA, glycolic acid, products to gently remove dead skin cells and hydrate, brighten and smooth. Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant helps unclog and diminish enlarged pores, exfoliate dead skin cells, smooth wrinkles and brighten skin tone. Combats redness, wrinkles, aging, and blackheads. Refine and even. Paula's Choice 8% AHA gel exfoliant with glycolic acid, chamomile, and green tea can help minimize the look of discolorations and age spots, and with consistent use, can increase skin's firmness. Beauty smarter, not harder. Whether your skin is dry, oily, combination, aging, acne, or blemish-prone, sensitive or dull, we've got a skincare solution for you. The search for amazing skincare ends here. Paula's Choice Skincare makes products that work. No fragrance, no parabens, no fluff. Just effective, science-backed formulas that target any concern from wrinkles to breakouts. Number 3, Paula's Choice Resist Intensive Wrinkle Repair Retinol Serum. About this item: pure retinol delivers visible results with stable retinol and soothing antioxidants. This unique serum addresses the appearance of wrinkles, improves the feel of firmness, uneven skin tone, and red marks, and leaves your face looking perfectly radiant. Paula's Choice Resist Intensive Wrinkle Repair Serum contains brightening vitamin C alongside stabilized retinol to improve the appearance of wrinkles. This silky smooth serum is infused with antioxidants and skin replenishing and hydrating ingredients. Use Paula's Choice Resist Intensive Wrinkle Repair Retinol Serum twice daily as part of your morning and evening skincare routines, along with your favorite Paula's Choice cleanser, toner, serums, spot treatments, and moisturizer with SPF for daytime. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and commenting below. Check out the description.